Hello? Is that you? Is that you that I see there? No way. It couldn't be. Wait a minute. Who are you? Well, I sure know how to play a fun instrument. It's called the kazoo. I can teach you how to play it, and we can be friends. Special friends. I'm just kidding. You're back there. I can see you. I bet it's really hard to see me, but I can see you. You're probably wondering, if I'm so far away, how can you hear me so well? Well, not to brag, but I do now have this lavalier microphone that I can speak into, and I think it can record me from like 40 feet away. And honestly, looking at my camera, I'm pretty sure I'm a lot more than 40 feet away, because I'm like really far. Not sure what my lens is portraying this like, but I'm really far. It records pretty loud. And also pretty quiet. I think that's pretty good. I think it's at a good volume. That could have been really loud, what I was just doing. Oh, look at me go. Oh my gosh, I'm nearing closer. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Well, yeah, that was fun. All right, let's start. Okay, what's going on, guys? I have no idea if this is working or if this is on. It's a beautiful day in April. I know it's been a long time since I have made a video, and I know I say that literally every time, but I've had some camera troubles. You know me, as always. I fixed it, we're up and running, so I thought we'd kind of take it slow today and go outside behind my dandy old fence back there and take some photographs of wilderness and nature at its finest and kind of put a nice chill lo-fi beat over it, maybe take some small videos of things, and I'll probably get copyright claim for the music because I always do, but I don't care, it's not like I get paid anyway on YouTube, so yeah, why not? I'm gonna get a long sleeve shirt on and some socks and boots, and we're going to go outside and enjoy the weather in this April afternoon. So yeah, okay, let's go. you.